this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Valentine's card. So I'm going to switch the view here. So here's the Valentine's card. So this Valentine's card I made with the Heartfelt stamp set. Pardon me. Ding ding. I have both here, the Heart to Heart stamp set and the detailed heart dies. They are available in a bundle together for 10% off. You can go to my website, eStampin.com, and if you enter the January hostess code, I will send you a free gift. So to get started, I'm going to start layering everything together. This is from the Heart Designer Series paper that we have right here. There are also punches that coordinate, so this scallop heart punches out this scallop heart. And on the next page, this heart punches out this heart right here. So that's what I've done for these two hearts. I punched them out of the paper. Most of the paper has foil on it, so it makes it really shiny and pretty. This one's breathtaking. And then we've got hearts, and this one's really cute too, and more hearts. So I'm just going to layer this on top of the other heart right here. And then this one on top of this one that I've already cut out. And then I'm going to put some glue on here so that I can adhere it down. I like to use a liquid glue and put glue on all the solid hearts, and then just a tiny dab of glue on all the outside hearts to hold things in place. Let's see. That one and this one. This one. And this one. Okay. Now, I don't think my tweezers are going to work that well with something so large. There we go. Just going to adhere it down. And if you want, you could use a block to kind of press it and hold it down. Make sure all these little pieces get down. And then I have this piece right here that I am going to stamp with real red. Happy Valentine's Day. There we go. And I think I'm going to trim it a little bit with my little mini paper trimmer. You can get this for free when you join my team and purchase a starter kit. It's super cute and super useful. And now the triple banner punch to punch the two sides out. Is that too long? A little bit too long, so I'll trim it a little bit more on each side. Okay. And now I will put the card together. So I'll put dimensionals on both of these. Happy Valentine's Day. And that is the finished card. So again, I used the Designer Series paper from my heart and the Heart to Heart bundle. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure you catch all of my other videos. Thanks so much. Bye.